Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the topic quadrilateral. First of all, we have to define. The definition is a geometrical figure enclosed by four sides is called quadrilateral. In your daily life, we have examples. Number one, your tabletop is a quadrilateral. The tabletop on which you are putting your notebooks is an example of quadrilateral. Second, your notebook itself is a quadrilateral. Third, in the adjoining figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Here we have some points to note. Number one, a quadrilateral ABCD has first four vertices here, four sides, then four angles, four pairs of adjacent sides like AB, AD first pair, AD, DC second pair, DC, CB third pair, and CB, BA the fourth pair. Fifth, two diagonals, that is AC and BD here. These are the two diagonals. Last, two pairs of opposite sides, AB and CD. This is first pair of opposite sides. AD and BC is the second pair of opposite sides. Now we have an important property as far as quadrilaterals are concerned. This is called angle sum property of a quadrilateral, and this states that the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. But to prove it, we start like this. We are given a quadrilateral ABCD. This is given. We have to prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. Now construction. We join A to C. We can also join B to D, but we will prove in this way only here. We join A to C. Now proof. In triangle ABC, we have angle CAB. See in the figure, angle CAB plus angle ABC plus angle BCA is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 1, and this holds due to the angle sum property of triangle. Similarly, in second triangle ACD, we have angle ACD, that is this angle, plus angle CDA plus angle DAC is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 2, again by angle sum property of triangle. Now adding equations 1 and 2, we add these two equations and we get angle CAB plus angle ABC plus angle BCA, we have written here, plus angle ACD plus angle CDA plus angle DAC is equal to right hand sides 180 degree plus 180 degree. Or now we regroup. Angle CAB is here and angle DAC is here. We regroup and write like this. So angle CAB plus angle DAC plus angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle ACD plus angle CDA is equal to 360 degree. This is 180 plus 180 degree. This gives us 360 degree. Now R, angle DAB, just see in the figure, angle CAB, that is this angle, plus angle ABC plus angle DAC, sorry, angle DAC, that is this angle plus this angle is equal to angle BAD, or we can write angle DAB, which is this angle DAB. Now next is angle DAC, CAB plus DAC is equal to angle DAB. Now angle ABC is as it is because this whole angle plus angle BCD. BCD is this angle BCA plus angle ACD. This angle plus this angle gives us angle BCD. That is this. And last one is angle CDA. Angle CDA is the whole angle which is written as it is here. So next step is A is here in the middle of these two, so we write angle A. B is here in the middle again, so we write angle B, plus angle C here, plus angle D here, and thus sum of angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. This proves the theorem. Next is now types of quadrilateral. We can categorize the all quadrilaterals in 4 types. Number 1, quadrilaterals. Number 2, kite. Number 3, trapezium. Number 4, parallelogram. So generally we call quadrilaterals the quadrilaterals in which there is no relationship between its sides or angles are generally called quadrilaterals. So roughly we call quadrilateral like this. In this quadrilateral ABCD, we don't have any relation between these sides, any of these sides or any of these angles. Simply we call the quadrilaterals. Second, kite. A quadrilateral is called kite if it has 2 pairs of equal adjacent sides. Here in the figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which side AB is equal to side AD and side BC is equal to side DA. So this is an example of kite. We could have like this: side DC is equal to side AD and side AB is equal to side BC. This could have also happened. In that case, that is also again a kite. Third is trapezium. A quadrilateral is called trapezium. A quadrilateral is called trapezium if it has 1 pair of opposite sides parallel, or if its 1 pair of opposite sides are parallel. Like this. Here in this figure, in quadrilateral ABCD, side AB is parallel to side DC, so it is called trapezium. Another example could have been side BC is parallel to side AD, then in that case also this quadrilateral is called trapezium. That's all.